In this video, we're going to learn how to create a lazy daisy stitch. This stitch is great for creating petals and leaves, and I use it a lot in my designs. Push the needle through the fabric, then back through at the origin point. Keep hold of the thread with your other hand. Then, push the needle up through the fabric to create the stitch. Then push the needle back through to secure. You can also add an optional extra stitch by pushing the needle through at the top of the petal or shape and pushing it back through at the base. This can make the stitch really stand out and is particularly good for larger forms. When sewing a flower, I sew the stitches at even intervals to make sure that the petals are an equal distance apart. Secure by tying a knot and weaving the thread under the other stitches. I also use this stitch to create leaves and stems. You can do this by sewing the stitch along a line instead of in a circle.